The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And for HCL Lucknow, it began in 2016 when HCL, the pioneer of modern computing, started operating from the state capital of Uttar Pradesh. Today, HCL Lucknow is one of the largest campuses, spread over 100 acres of land, and is a major contributor in transforming Lucknow into a global technologies hub. HCL Lucknow is HCL's first fully integrated campus, where delivery center, training center, and other essential amenities are based in one campus.
Nowhere you got any center where you have everything in one campus. That's only Lucknow. I think in a many sense, Lucknow is very different from the rest of the facility globally.
By offering spectrum of services, including infrastructure management, application development, engineering and digital process operations, HCL Lucknow has brought global career opportunities to the brilliant minds of Lucknow and nearby places in the comfort of their hometown.
The work that's being done by Team Lucknow is tremendous. The quality of work is on par with any other team that we have across the world. The kind of work that we would be doing in the future, whether it is about moving products to the cloud or running operations on the cloud or doing telecom services, moving unified communications to the cloud, data engineering, and several of these will be of relevance to our future customers.
Today, HCL Lucknow specializes in supporting global customers on high-end technologies needed for the new age transformation. HCL Lucknow also has an SAP Center of Excellence.
We happen to be the largest employer and the most aspired for brand in the region as well. We wanted to build a workforce that has affinity to the location. Employees are our real assets, and from day one our endeavor has been to extend our employee engagement initiatives beyond employees and take it to their families as well. We have been successful in doing that and running various initiatives like Bring Your Family to Office Days, bringing employees' parents to healthcare center for their proactive checkups, running counseling programs for the children of employees, and inviting families and friends of employees in various festivals and events throughout the year.
We are already reaching out to more than 65,000 people from the, I would say, below poverty line sections. And there is this program which we call as Uday, which aims at breaking the cycle of poverty, is operational for more than 4 years in Lucknow. And something that we are quite proud of, our MOU with the Municipal Corporation of Lucknow, wherein we are building a beautiful forest called Atal Uday Upvan.
Through its world-class infrastructure, HCL's 4 decades of innovation, tradition of going far beyond what is expected, HCL Lucknow is set to grow multifold in coming years.